Hey guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be very much so exciting because I finally got my Sketchbox in the mail. Yay! And no, I am not sponsored by this company at all. I actually love seeing people unbox these boxes on videos, so I decided, what the heck, let me find one that I can afford, so no art snacks, and just unbox it for you guys. This is their basic box because look at me. And it costs $25 a month, and if you guys want their premium box, which is for the people above me, it's $35 a month, which really isn't that bad. Alrighty, so here's the box up close, and on top is actually the artist in which they chose to feature for this month. The artist is named Russell, but their Instagram name is designer_rain, and basically just this states that if you want your artwork featured on the top of the box, just share it on your Instagram and tag them in it, and maybe your artwork will pop up on the top of the box for next month. So now we're just gonna get into opening the box. I am so scared because I don't know what to expect. It could be art supplies I don't use, it could be art supplies that I love, and it could be art supplies that I hate, but we're just gonna get to opening this. And I hate that the tape is ripping the pretty artwork on top, but you know we all gotta sacrifice. So the tape is ripped off, so here we go. Alright, okay, alright. Okay, so first I see is the sticker that says Sketchbox, and I actually really like it. I'm probably going to put it on one of my sketchbooks that I haven't used yet. Alrighty, so I'm just going to read off the cards. So basically this is a YouTube link in which it shows how you can use the supplies that are in this box, and this is the supplies, so we're just not going to look at it because I don't want to spoil it for me. And this is the print. Oh, this is actually quite cute. All right. The featured artist is Natasha Price. I will not read all of this because my video would be twice as long, but if you guys want to read it, just pause the video here and you can learn a lot more about Natasha Price. And yes, this is her artwork that she did, I think, with the previous box. I'm not sure how this works, but we're just going to keep guessing. All right. So from the looks of it, we have markers, and I'm excited. I'm excited. So get out of here, worms. Get out of here. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Legit gonna have to clean it up. Alrighty. So the first two markers that are gaining my attention the most are these markers, and these are the Sketchbox brush markers. So I guess they made their own alcohol marker series. You have a chisel nib and a brush nib. And the colors I got, if my phone would focus on them, is, okay, come on, there we go, is Fern BG11. I'm guessing it's the blue-green. I don't know. And the second color I got was Praline. Sketchbox Signature Brush Marker 2.0, retail price $6.99 each. Like, excuse me? But let me just read. Okay, this month is all about illustration markers. Yes! Say hello to the second version of our very own brush markers. So I took your feedback and went back to the drawing board to create totally new version we are incredibly proud of. We redesigned the barrel and added a chisel nib and completely replaced the brush nib with a much softer version that glides across paper effortlessly. So we think they're easily comparable to the best brands out there, and we are excited to hear your thoughts. This month we included Fern and Praline colors to complement your style fine markers. Wow, okay. Next three markers are Style Fine markers. So these kind of look like the Ohuhu markers, because I've seen a lot of cheap marker brands with the same barrel type. So anyways, I got 810 Brick Brown. I got CG, so Cool Gray, number 6. And I got 118 yellow ochre. All fine markers were designed in Germany to meet a high quality standard but still retain an affordable price. Like most illustration markers, they contain alcohol based ink and have brush and a chisel nib. We especially love their ink flow and color range. The last thing that's in here is a Sakura jelly roll, and I haven't used these in ages, but this is the Jelly Roll 10. I think this is actually the new version that came out, because I know they redid the Jelly Rolls, because I know a lot of people weren't happy with them. Jelly Roll ink is a hybrid of the best features of ballpoint pens grease and rollerballs liquid ink. These pens glide smoothly, won't bleed or blot and dry, to be waterproof and fade resistant. We included it in your box this month to allow you to add highlights over your alcohol-based markers. It's also great for adding elements like lens flares or stars in a night sky. So first, I will actually swatch out these markers that is the Sketchbox brand. Oh my gosh, my English is just getting really bad. Markers do have a smell, so if you're sensitive to smells, yeah, they do have a big smell. Now we are going to swatch out the Style Find markers. Alright, so with the markers swatched and stuff, I really love all the colors. The colors are all warm, so I'm gonna have a tough time trying to figure out what to do with these colors, but so far, so good. So now we're going to see how the jelly roll looks like. So I'm just gonna use a black Sharpie to kind of make a black box so I can get the best look of it. Oh wow, alright. I'm liking this one. This one actually is really nice. It's really thick. I like it. Look how opaque that is. And yeah, maybe writing is not something these are supposed to be used for. So yeah, but other than that, it's actually pretty dope. I like it. It's better than the ones that came out first. So I'm actually really loving this, surprisingly. Alrighty, so now we're in the speed paint portion of this video, and honestly guys, this box wowed me. I was super happy with every item that I got in this box. The markers worked fabulously. They blended really nice together. The only thing about the markers that I kind of was iffy on is that they were streaky a little bit when trying to do flat washes, but other than that, they blend good. The Sakura jelly roll was amazing. I freaking love the new and improved version. I really believe that this one should have been the one that came out first, but it wasn't. And that's pretty much it for the supplies. The only thing I'm kind of iffy on, I would say actually put in paper for you to use your supplies on. I know this box is mainly for the supplies itself, but paper is the supplies. Like, come on, box, come on. And if I had to give this box a rating out of 5, I honestly would give it a 4 out of 5 because this box is $25 a month. But if you honestly look at the supplies, markers are naturally expensive. So technically, is the box really worth $25? Not really, because the markers took up a huge percentage of what the box really was worth. But anyways, I really like how this drawing turned out, and I really love using the supplies. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys would like to see me use more art subscription boxes in the future, let me know in my comment box below. I kind of don't want to get on a regular basis of doing these every month, but if you guys really enjoyed my opinion on this one, maybe I could do art snacks next month and just kind of see what the difference is, since art snacks is the bay of art boxes. But anyways, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.